Okay, well, hopefully make it through the service.
To hear the gospel story. Our journey along we see.
Rejoice with joy and singing. The glory of Lebanon shall
to engender our joy to the world. Sorrow.
Days are hastening on.
You have brought us all here safely to this place, and we surrender to tell the good news of your Son, Jesus. But even when you present...
Oh, that was beautiful. Can you sing it louder?
Today to be our guide and our leader, and we thank you for...
To share music and to teach music to these great children. And we thank you. Delight, he watched the orchestra.
They did such a great job, and we're so glad. I want to thank you with you. Find somebody to give it to this week. Remind them, and ride in the Joe Mobile today as you were coming in. If the service as well. How many of you were at the beach service today? Birth of your son. We pray, Lord, that we might leave singing these.